So you finally saved your first $10,000. That's a massive milestone, and you should be proud. But now you face a new problem. If you leave that money sitting in a standard big bank savings account, you're actually losing money every single day. With inflation lingering and interest rates shifting, your purchasing power is shrinking. But the stock market feels like a minefield of get-rich-quick schemes. Today, I'm going to show you how to ignore the noise and build a bulletproof portfolio using just 3 simple ETFs. This is exactly how you turn a one-time savings goal into a long-term wealth machine. Before we dive into the numbers, a quick but important reminder. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Investing involves risk, so always do your own research or consult a professional before making any financial decisions. First, we need a foundation. For that, we're putting 60% of our portfolio, that's $6,000, into VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Why VOO? Because with one single click, you're buying the 500 largest, most successful companies in the United States. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. Instead of betting on one horse, you're betting on the entire American economy. The best part? The expense ratio is only 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 invested, you only pay $3 a year in fees. In the world of investing, fees are the silent killers of wealth, and VOO is about as cheap as it gets. But we don't want all our eggs in one basket. Even though the US has performed great, we want to own the rest of the world too. So we're putting 20%, or $2,000, into VXUS, the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. This gives you exposure to tech giants in Taiwan, luxury brands in France, and innovators in Japan. Historically, there are decades where international markets outperform the US. By holding VXUS, you're protected no matter which region is leading the race. For the final 20%, you have a choice. If you want a bit of a safety net to protect you during market crashes, you put $2,000 into BND, the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF. It's boring, but it keeps your portfolio stable. However, if you're young and have a 20-year horizon, you might choose to put that final 20% into VTI to capture the entire US small-cap market, or simply add it to your VOO position for maximum growth. For this $10,000 starter kit, let's stick to the 60-20-20 split with BND for maximum peace of mind. Now, before you hit buy, we need to talk about the IRS. In the US, taxes can be your biggest expense. If you hold these ETFs in a regular taxable brokerage account, you'll pay taxes on the dividends every single year. This is what we call tax drag. To maximize your $10,000, consider opening a Roth IRA if you qualify. In a Roth, your money grows completely tax-free, and you won't owe Uncle Sam a penny when you withdraw it in retirement. That difference alone can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over 30 years. Investing isn't about finding the next meme stock. It's about buying the whole haystack and waiting. If you start with these 3 funds, stay consistent, and reinvest your dividends, time will do the heavy lifting for you. I've put the tickers and a breakdown of the expense ratios in the description below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button. I'm here to help you build wealth, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.